Approximately 474,550 post-paid residential customers who consumed fewer than 200 kilowatt hours of electricity in April have received a 20% contribution towards their bill payment. Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark, made the disclosure during a statement to the House of Representatives this week. Raquel Robinson reports.
Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark, says that this was reflected on May bills.
In addition, Madam Speaker, 9,235 prepaid customers received $3,000 in electricity payment support, also paid in May.
The minister also informed that in May, 478,461 residential customers consumed fewer than 200 kilowatts per hour, and the government contributed 20% of their bill for a total cost of approximately $533.7 million.
In addition, 9,773 prepaid customers received $3,000 in electricity payment support in June.
In March, Dr. Clark announced that more than 450,000 low and middle income households consuming up to 200 kilowatts per hour of electricity per month for the period April 2022 to July 2022 will receive a 20% contribution towards their bill payments. In addition, $3,000 per month would be contributed over the same period for prepaid residential customers. This is being provided for under the government's We Care Energy Co-Pay program. Reporting for PBCJ, I'm Raquel Robinson.